In this video, I'm going to show you our top tips to make your LinkedIn profile stand out from the crowd. Specifically, we'll show you the elements to focus on to create an amazing first impression, maximizing your career and business opportunities, and we're going to get started right now. Hi, my name is Daniela Tanner and I'm the director and co-founder here at Social Media College. You should no longer think of your LinkedIn profile as your online CV. Instead, it's now your own personal branding website. LinkedIn search results are usually the top result when someone Googles your name. Try it out for yourself after this video and Google your own name to see what comes up. Whether you're going for a job, trying to sell to a new customer, partnering with new suppliers, or thinking about changing careers, there's people searching for your personal name to find out more about you. LinkedIn is the world's top professional network, where users go to have professional conversations and connections, and updating your LinkedIn profile means that you are in control of your online identity. Research shows that LinkedIn members who update their profile will generate 2 times more profile visits, meaning twice as many career opportunities and twice as many business deals. Individuals also generate 10 times more engagement than company brands. So creating and posting from your personal profile can grow your personal brand and help the business achieve its marketing objectives. So, how can you ensure you can create a great first impression when people first visit your LinkedIn profile? First impressions last, and nothing can be more true than visits to your LinkedIn profile. So the key thing is to focus on elements that profile visitors can see without having to scroll down, and these are called above the fold. Above the fold elements include your profile picture, background photo, headline, the number of connections you have, contact information, and your current role and latest education. We're going to step you through each of these elements in detail, starting with number 1, your profile picture. Andrew Ford is the personal branding expert here at Social Media College. He's also the author of the best-selling book, Creating a Powerful Personal Brand. And Andrew says, your profile picture and headline are the 2 most important elements, as they are the things that you see first when you hit your LinkedIn profile. When taking your LinkedIn profile picture, make sure that the photo is in high resolution, using something like the portrait mode on an iPhone. The photo should be of your head and shoulders, and it should only be you in the photo, no friends. The profile picture is so small, and having more than one person in shot will make your profile photo look crowded, and people won't know who's who. The next point is to make sure your face is well lit. Try to face the window or use lights to assist. You should also be wearing the work attire that is appropriate for your industry. Just ask yourself, would I wear this to work? That's usually a good rule. Finally, make sure you're smiling. New profile visitors will make assumptions about you in a millisecond, just by looking at your profile. So you want to portray yourself as friendly, welcoming, and positive. Above the fold element number 2, your background photo. Your background photo appears as a banner at the top of your LinkedIn profile, and it sits just behind your profile picture. Find a unique, interesting picture that complements your role, industry, and expertise. This could be a high-quality image of your workplace, your products, or just your city that you work in. You can be creative here too. There are many free stock image sites like Unsplash, Pixabay, and Pexels, where you can search and download royalty-free images to use. Image editing software like Canva offers tons of amazing LinkedIn background templates for you to choose from. Whatever you choose, just make sure that your background photo has consistent colors to your profile picture and presents you in a professional light. Above the fold element number 3, your profile headline. Okay, so now that you have your profile picture and background image sorted, it's time to focus on your headline. This is the line directly below your name. Ideally, you should write a headline that talks directly to your target audience. This is the group of people who you would like to attract to your LinkedIn profile. This could be prospective clients, employers, or industry experts. A simple framework for your headline is A, helping B to C. A is your expertise, such as a digital marketer. B is your target audience, such as an e-commerce business. And C is the benefit that you offer to your target audience, such as increased website traffic and online sales. Putting this all together, your headline would be experienced digital marketer, helping e-commerce businesses increase website traffic and online sales. It's a pretty easy formula, don't you think? Above the fold element number 4, get to 500 plus connections. You should get to more than 500 connections as quickly as possible, because once you do, it shows 500 plus connections, which instantly boosts your credibility. Unlike Facebook, where you usually only accept connection requests from people that you know, it's common on LinkedIn to accept a connection request from strangers who are relevant to your profession. Start developing your connections from your personal networks, such as your friends, family, personal interest groups, university or schoolmates. These people are more likely to support you and happily accept your request. Next, connect with your professional network. These can be your co-workers from current and existing jobs, your customers, your suppliers, basically anyone that you meet whilst you're working. A great tip is to connect your work email and your smartphone's contacts to your LinkedIn profile. People you send and receive emails from or save as contacts in your phone should start to appear as recommended connections in LinkedIn. Another great tip is to connect with your colleagues and/or clients every time you finish a meeting with them. It's a nice way to follow up and build on your professional relationship. You should also regularly browse through the recommended connections under My Network. These are displayed by the algorithm based on factors like shared education institution, industry, employers, location, role, and so forth. When sending a connection request, you should always add a message when you send that request. On mobile, click More and then personalize the invite. Don't be too salesy in your message, but instead say something friendly like, "Hi there, I'm trying to grow my network in our industry, and I'd love to connect with you to see more of your content in my newsfeed." Don't take it personally if someone doesn't accept. Social media marketing is a numbers game. It's okay. Above the fold element number 5, update your contact information to boost your credibility. This information is shown to first level connections only, and it includes your LinkedIn profile URL, your top 3 website links, your phone number, email address, top 3 instant messenger accounts, and your birthday. Above the fold element number 6, showcase your current position and latest education. This is the final above the fold element, and it's a great way to share more details about yourself and create a lasting impression. Click on the pencil icon to the right of your profile to enter the information which you would like to select to be showcased. So there you have it. Focus on LinkedIn elements above the fold and you'll instantly gain a strong and lasting first impression with your profile visitors and increase the chances that they'll scroll down to learn more about you. Ultimately, this will help you advance your career and capture business opportunities. Look out for our next video and blog, which will showcase the key tips for below the fold elements in your LinkedIn profile. This would include the About section, features, experience, and more. If you found this helpful, please like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great social media marketing tips and tricks. Make sure you click on the notification bell to be notified when we release new videos just like this one. What LinkedIn profile tips do you have? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I really look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.